How to make Wiggle Major. Okay, type Sony Vegas. Yeah, it's type Vegas Pro. Pitches are -2 plus 12. -2 sounds like not scary. Plus 12 sounds like in Goo Goo Gaga. Okay, let's go to LA Motion. First I went to Music Speed Changer. Now let's go to LA Motion. The sound will be off. Now let's add audio. One. Now fix it. Let's fix it. Let me fix it the right way. First, effects, wave warp, phases usually to 244.14 with 2 keyframes. Angle was 0, spacing is 2.0. Strength is 0 to 30. Another one. Angle is 90. Looks like feels dizzy. Those you already know. Now go to hue shift. Hue shift is 27.0. That looks like a Lewis group. Here are results. To make Wiggle Major, type Vegas Pro. Okay, now we're gonna save it. Let's wait until seconds to minutes. 1 minute. Now save. Now go to YouTube. Wait, stop arguing, guys! Okay, tap on the video. Now I'm gonna type in. Mommy, stop talking!
I talked to her, but I haven't talked to her about food.
Oh my God, stop! Okay, my mommy is Wiggle Major. Okay, Tilly's Big Camping Adventure vocal song and Wiggle Major. Man, my mom keeps making noises. Okay, now upload. Oh, I messed it up. Okay, I gotta wait a minute. Let's wait a minute, guys. Okay, edit. For this video, I'm gonna put it that's made for kids. Because if it's not made for kids, they're probably gonna get, I don't know. Okay. This is how you make Wiggle Major type Vegas Bro. See you next time. Bye.